Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, and they say you never forget your first. Well, this is my first favorite trailer. Last year when I started at Leisure Time, I was looking through the floor plans and I thought, wow, I don't see how there's a hole in this trailer. It does basically everything you'd want. It's a 3100 RD, Imagine, by Grand Design. So we'll take a look inside. This one really is designed to be a couples camper, but as we see inside, lots of options to bring the family along as well. So right away you walk in, you notice that nice big off campside slide with the kitchen and a fold out couch on it. Stepping back here, you've got a dinette, a freestanding dinette. Now you can turn that table sideways and put two of those chairs in storage. You see they do fold away. You can hide those under the bed. So if it's just the two of you and you want a little less table and a little more floor space, you can turn that table sideways and put it up flush against the wall there, the spot with the chargers, and still be able to access those. So you see the two USB chargers as well as the plug. Look at this nice big window too on the campsite. I mean, that's just an amazing panoramic view. Wait till we get into the front, you'll see that other slide. So spinning around now to take a quick look at the kitchen. You've got a high-rise faucet here with the roller top over it to let your dishes dry. But there's a stainless steel farm style sink underneath there. Notice here the Compass Connect system, the Imagine, has set up a Bluetooth system so that you can monitor your diagnostics. You can roll your slides in and out, turn your lights on and off, all through your phone with an app. So stepping back to take a look at the counter space and the storage underneath, we've got a couple drawers underneath the sink as well as a spot for your scrubbies and cabinets on either side, and then you've got some more storage above. Nice, good size fridge in this one, and that's right on the slide. 3-burner cooktop over top of the range. You've got a microwave built into this one as well, and 2 cabinets above your nice counter space that you have here, and 3 big drawers as well as a nice pot drawer underneath. Favorite feature, can't go wrong with the Grand Design, is this nice big pantry space. That is motion censored, so you see the light pop on once you open that up, and all kinds of space in there to store some stuff while you're on the road. Swinging back to take a look at this nice Thomas Paine recliner. This one faces your entertainment center. You've got another fold-out couch here. So as we step back, look at this nice living room style space you've got here with the opposing slides. And I mentioned you've got some versatility in this one. It's a couples camper, but if you want to bring the family along, you've got a tri-fold bed here and a tri-fold bed here. So you've got room for a couple people to stay over and be comfortable. And look at this nice big fireplace, entertainment center, good sized TV, and again, more windows at the back. Really, you feel like you're in a glass. It's like a big fish tank back here. All kinds of glass around you. You're nice and comfortable, nice and bright. And you've got this entertainment area for your nights that you're inside. Just love it. Can't get enough of this trailer. Okay, so taking a look towards the back of the trailer, we'll check out the main bedroom at the front. So barn style door opens up, great space here to get into the bedroom, walk around queen bed, good floor space around it, opposing windows to get your cross breeze, cabinets on either side, and some storage above. You've got your cubby holes on either side with your charging stations, USB and traditional plugs, padded headboard for your safety, as well as a couple of 2-way lights above, blue or white lights, depending on whether you want to stay up and read and let the other person sleep. Nice built-in dresser here. Cabinets as well as drawers. So just really love this trailer. Can't get enough of it. Heading into the bathroom, you've got a double shower with a skylight, foot flush toilet, linen closet, medicine chest with a little extra storage to the right, and some storage underneath. So again, this has been my first favorite trailer, the 2021 Imagine 3100 RD. Can't get enough of this living space. Nice, comfortable, long-term stay. You can pull this with select half-ton trucks or bigger. So really a lot of versatility in this one. Again, come see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis. We have trailers arriving every day. We'll find something to suit your needs on the lot here or up in Moncton on our brand new lot on Price Drive with our friends at the Moncton Leisure Time branch. Have a good day, folks.